Roxy, it's not locked. Come on.
I gotta fix my shirt.
Now, we just went outside and there was skunk and that didn't bother her. She's immune.
She's just looking every other way.
She's not amused because she doesn't like being in there, does she?
She doesn't care about it now.
So it just proves that she's playing up. It's like the way she comes out. She does a handstand.
Now you do it. She's like, before I was just worried about getting out. Lou doesn't care about it. He's actually sniffing it.
Louie, you want a mint?
Look at it.
You want a mint? Hello.
He's like,
Do you want a
away from
mint?
those things.
He just gulped. Don't let us slobber on them now. I do like those.
Look at him wagging his tail over there like, I want to be on video. She's like, only I can do that.
It's like... So I gotta take my frustration out on Roxy.